Byenalaba nga bwe kiri abadde yakikubye. So she's doing the finishing. She's doing the finishing. So we want to check and see. Why would you choose yellow color for that?
Because I want the work to look like active.
Okay.
Because yellow is a hot color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Mbaniriza ku fake shots subscribing, liking, commenting. Olunaku olwaleero tunoonyeza ku mwana muwala Olivia. Omwana ono ansanyusaako ekintu kimu. She's so confident. She has that confidence everyone needs to have. N'omuntu alina emikono, n'omuntu atalina any disability nga tagiina, omwana ono agiina. She's always displaying her work on TikTok. Ate nga tafaayo. She doesn't care who says what. Okitegeera. So mbaniriza tuli ku fake shots, subscribing, liking, commenting. Nze Judy Potential. Olunaku olwaleero tusanze Olivia eno gye tumusanze bambi gyawangaalira omwana ono. She got some teyazaalibwa bw'ati. Si bw'ati bwe yazaalibwa okusinziira ku story gye nze ngoberera ku TikTok. Sinnayogera naye, but according to what I've been following on her TikTok page or TikTok account, she wasn't born like this. Naye yakkiriza. She welcomed what came. Nagamba no. Life has to move on. Kababuzeeko, she's an artist. Akuba ebintu ebyenjawulo abeera ku live okwo n'akuba ebintu. N'ogamba omuntu atalina mukono akuba atya ati bw'ati. Naye nga kinsanyusa. Nkwaniriza Olivia. You can speak in English. These people understand English.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Olivia.
Yes.
I'm an amputee artist. I wasn't born with a disability, but in 2012, that's when I encountered it, and I had to accept the fact and also working upon myself.
In 2022, that is when you encountered the 2012.
Yeah.
Okay.
So me and my family, when we are trying to move from Abim district, that is northern Uganda.
Yes.
My dad was a police CID. Yes. He was sick, and then he had been admitted to Mulago Hospital. So it was December in the Christmas season. He wanted us to come and see him, visit him in the hospital, so that we can spend Christmas as a family.
Oh, you're coming from the village, coming to visit your dad?
Yeah.
Sick bed where he was admitted at Mulago?
Yeah.
Okay.
He had a spinal cord paralysis.
Oh.
Whatever broke. Then we boarded a bus. It was at midnight. It reached the following day when we are still on our way. Then in the evening, we had reached Nakasongola district.
Yes.
And for me...
near Rowero.
Yeah. Actually, we had moved me, my siblings. My mom was pregnant.
Okay.
And my brother was there. There were two brothers. Then my sister. Then plus me. And so those are six.
Those are six.
The baby.
Including the baby inside.
Yeah.
6. It makes them 6.
Yeah.
Plus your mom is 7.
No.
6.
Yeah.
All of you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then, when it reached 7.
But speak loud.
I think it was 7 p.m. That's when the bus fell. For me, I was asleep. I had sat with my little brother.
Okay.
He was only 4 years old.
All right. How old are you?
I was 8.
Okay.
Yeah, I was born in 2003.
All right. You were 8 by 2012.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, for me, I didn't see whatever happened, but I only realized that I tried to open my eyes, then also hearing some people crying, but I don't recall much.
You don't recall the pain, you don't recall what happened at that time?
Yeah.
You were asleep by the time the bus fell off?
Yeah, I was unconscious. Then we found ourselves in the hospital, And then for my left arm, it was still there. It wasn't amputated straight away, but I don't know how I can describe it, but um, it had been like squeezed.
Okay, it was squeezed, so it could not be organized to be put back.
Yeah, the blood vessels couldn't allow blood to move, and it was just rotting. So the doctors suggested they should just cut it off. So now
But the right hand just got off immediately.
yeah, it got off.
Yeah.
So like my mom accepted to sign, and then they took me to the surgery room, and that's when they removed the hand because it was going to destroy my life completely. And actually, people people were telling my mom that I'm not going to make it because everyone was seeing my condition. But actually, my mom is a believer. She believes in God, and she started praying, and that's when God made a miracle. Like our life improved a little by little. We spent 6 months in the hospital, but also my dad my dad was really shocked. Remember, he was sick already, and we found ourselves in the same hospital, the whole family.